What's up, all you Dizzy Pig fans? Brett here from Yeti at the Dizzy Pig World Headquarters. Excited to share some new Yeti products that'll be available in store for purchase. So let's jump right in. We got three really cool colors coming for the spring and the summer. We've got sand, we got canyon red, and we got reef blue. So we'll have all the drinkware sizes. Also a limited run of reef blue coolers coming too, right here at Dizzy Pig. Another new color we're going to do for the summer is our Flip 12, our Backflip 24, and our Sidekick Dry will come in this awesome charcoal gray. Charcoal's a real tough, gritty color. I know all you Dizzy fans are into your charcoal, so this matches right up. Last thing we're going to do is a wine rambler lid. So the wine rambler, a lot of fun while you're barbecuing and cooking, sipping on your wine. Here's your lid. Keep it covered, keep the bugs out, not splashing around. Make sure you come get one right here at Dizzy Pig. Look forward to seeing you soon.